Dividends of democracy. Lawmaker gift motorcycle tires to constituents. The lawmaker representing Yagba West in the Kogi State House of Assembly and Minority Leader, Honorable Ibikunle Idowu, was captured distributing motorcycle tires each to some group of people in his constituents. In the viral video that caught viewers' attention, the lawmaker was seen handing over a tires each to commercial riders as an empowerment, the gesture which has since then sparked mixed reaction on various social media platforms. While some question the effectiveness of our democracy, majority question the relevance of the initiative. The lawmaker has since rushed out to defend the move, stating that it's not a recent occurrence but was organized in August 2023 to caution the hardship from the first subsidy removal. Sheriff Oyewole, Last Television News.